Okay, in this video we're checking out the new Foxeer Falkor Micro FPV camera, and I've done reviews already on the full-size Falkor and the Falkor mini camera. So there's now three versions of this. This is the micro version with the 19 by 19 millimeter form factor. The only difference between the three versions is the case, and I think the lens in the case of the micro here. So we have an M8 1.8 millimeter lens here and a different case. But the board, the firmware, and the sensor is going to be the same on all three cameras, as well as the plug in the back here. So if you want to see like the settings and all that stuff, the default settings, all that, that's going to be all the same in this one versus the mini and the full size. So I'll put links to those videos in the description. You can check those out. If you want to see this hooked up to an FPV monitor and know what the settings are, it's going to be the same in this camera. The only difference here is the case and the lens and the weight, which I'll show you here in a second. Now there's obviously different colors. So we got white and black here, and there's also a red one which they didn't send to me. And that's pretty much it in terms of the differences. The image quality is pretty similar to the mini and the micro, mini and the full size with the M12 lens. Obviously with the M8 lens, the image is going to be a little bit different, and the field of view is a little bit different as well. So I'll check the description to the link on the product, and you can see all the differences. Here's the weight of the camera, about 5.3 grams. Pretty typical average weight for a micro camera. Yeah, so that's pretty much it in terms of the differences. If you want to see what this is hooked up, the settings that hook up to an FPV monitor, go see those other videos, and the settings are going to be all the same. And if you're here for the giveaway, the instructions will be down in the description. Foxeer will be giving away one of these cameras to one lucky winner. Make sure you follow all of the instructions down below if to qualify for the giveaway, and I will choose the winner probably within about 2 weeks from the publication of this video. Anyway, so here's the sample flight footage, and if you want to compare the flight footage to any of the other FPV cameras that I've reviewed at the same park, same time of day, similar lighting conditions, pretty sunny, there's going to be a list to a playlist of all those other reviews, and you can compare the footage from this camera to those other cameras to get side-by-side comparisons. You can do those yourself by opening up the review videos in separate browser windows. So I've done an explanation about that before, but the playlist is down below. You can actually look at all the other review videos of those other FPV cameras in that playlist, and then do your own comparisons. Anyway, here's the flight footage. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.